OnePlus OxygenOS 16.1. Xiaomi HyperOS 3. Settings UI. OxygenOS 16 Icon Pack. OnePlus Clock Style. OxygenOS 16 Control Center. Glowing fingerprint. Liquid glass. Flashlight animation. 3D wallpaper effect. Lock screen clock style. Let's install and custom this theme. My device, Xiaomi 14T running HyperOS 3 Global ROM. First, get MTZ theme file. File and video description. Extract file. OxygenOS 16 theme. Next, open Play Store. Install Zyper app. Active Zyper services. Apply MTZ file. Select Download MTZ theme. Home screen clock widget. Control center ductport HyperOS 3. Change system UI. Dark mode and light mode. OxygenOS dialer. Lock screen custom. Need password to unlock all theme features. Open theme app. Customize theme, then lock style. Enter code to unlock theme. This is theme password. Pass to unlock theme. Theme unlocked. Wallpapers custom. OxygenOS 16 default wallpapers. (3D effect). Liquid glass effect. Wallpaper custom. Import original image. Import removed background image. Enable your own wallpaper. Vertical theme style. Gravity sensitivity. Swipe down, bounce effect. Enable glass reflection effect. Lock screen dynamic island. Edit dynamic position. Lock screen music player. Home screen 3D spatial effect. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.